Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Highline. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI bi-turbo diesel engine pushing out 204 PS. The van also comes with a DSG automatic gearbox. This example comes finished in the deep Black-Pearlescent paint colour, and across the front of the vehicle it features LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also features a set of front parking sensors. Down below, the van sits on 17-inch Davenport alloy wheels, and towards the rear of the vehicle it comes with a tailgate with a heated rear window. Located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera, and this paired with the rear parking sensors helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. The Kombi comes with an electrically operated tailgate that also has a key fob operation. Inside the load area or boot space of the Kombi, it comes with a few lashing points as well as a rubber floor covering. The vehicle also comes with the additional extra of having a removable as well as lockable Towbar, providing a more versatile option. There's also a button allowing you to close the tailgate. The Kombi also comes with twin electric sliding doors, behind which is the rear passenger area. There is a 3-seater passenger bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration. The seats come finished in the bricks woven fabric. As well as this, the seats also come with some ISOFIX points. A nice addition is the seats can be folded flat to access the rear load area. Up front in the driver's cab there are 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece. Plenty of leg space for the driver as well as the front passenger, and in the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash there is an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows the users to connect with the App Connect feature as well as access all their favourite FM and DAB radio stations. The touchscreen also comes with navigation that includes 3D maps. Located just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The van comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. To the left are some of the buttons to control the power sliding doors. As well as this, the driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.